Hello everybody, this is my first YouTube channel. I'm excited to open all of my birthday presents with you and Mummy is going to help me.
Are you ready for your birthday presents?
Yeah!
Are we gonna start with the pink one?
Yeah.
Okay, open it. Do you want to help? Oh my god. Can you guess what it is? It's a dress. I wonder what it's called. Where is it coming from? Does it say? Look at that. This is beautiful, Diamond. Very gorgeous dress.
Yeah.
I love it.
Me too.
Oh my goodness. You're going to look like a princess.
Yeah.
Wow. First gift. It doesn't really say who it's coming from, but we love it.
Yeah.
Yay. So shall we put it on the side?
Yeah.
Let's try second gift. Which one should we try?
That one.
This one or this one?
That one.
That one.
Yeah.
Open it. Open it. Open it. I wonder what's inside there. You go. Wow. You like your doll?
Yeah.
Show it to them. Show it. Show it. Very pretty. Is this like a house?
Yes.
It's got a computer.
Yeah.
We can open it later. You ready for the third birthday gift?
Yeah.
Open it, open it, open. Open, open. Very pretty. Very, very, very gorgeous. It's a Barbie doll. I know who this one came from. Do you know who gave you this gift? It's Auntie Vivi. Auntie Viola gave you this. Oh my god! You like the trainers?
Yeah.
Oh, they're a little bit too big though. I love it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, say thank you, Auntie Vivi.
Thank you, Auntie Vivi.
What's the next gift? Auntie Vivi, thank you. Very beautiful shoes, trainers. Gorgeous.
They also got these straps.
Yeah.
Trainers only have laces.
Is it?
Yeah. But that's okay.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the other one?
There. There.
Is this one here? This, it came from, I believe, I could be wrong.
It's Tim gave me this one.
Who?
Tim gave me this one.
Tim?
Yeah.
Tim from? Oh my
Tim.
gosh, this is so gorgeous. Look how pretty.
Tim and Chloe gifted me this.
Is it? Oh, so gorgeous.
Yeah.
Very pretty. do yoga with mommy, and you can wear these too. So pretty.
Yeah.
What else do you want to see?
The white one.
This came from who? From me. This is a birthday present from mommy. Open it, open it, open it, open it, open it, open it. Birthday present from Mama.
Oh, I want to open the box.
You have to check inside the box as well.
Yeah.
So we open it from here. I'll help you. Guess what? Close your eyes. No picking.
I'm not picking.
No picking.
I'm not picking.
No picking.
I'm not picking.
Open your eyes.
I like Hello Kitty things.
You like Hello Kitty things? Do
Yeah.
you know what is this? What's this? Do you have an idea what this is?
I don't know what it is.
It's for your water. It's a water tub for you to drink as much as you want. Put so much water here, and then you can press there, and the water is gonna come out. You're gonna put your little cup here, and no more asking mommy for water. You can drink as much as you want. So do you like it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's yours. What's next? What's next? What's in here?
Oh, another one. Another white one.
This. Let's do this one, the last one. This, you know who gave you this one already? Who gave you this?
Yeah. Deep one.
Gibron. Yeah, there's even a card inside. Gibron. Auntie Natalie and Gibron. Okay, so the other gifts are too big for you to even carry it. We can do another video next time. Open this one. This is from mommy as well.
Both of these was for me because they were
What's that?
I know.
You don't know just yet? What's that? You like it? You don't even know what it is yet? Do you know what it is?
I can put this on my back.
Check the other one. Check the other thing. What's that? This is a little bag.
And I can put it on another bag. It's got that thing.
And you can hook it together like that. Don't know how you hook it, but we'll find out later.
And look.
What's that? That's the main surprise.
It's nice.
What is it?
Can you open it?
Yeah.
I like it.
What is it?
It's a frame.
It's a mobile phone. It's a real mobile phone, you know.
How do you switch it on?
You switch it on here.
It's nice.
A mobile phone. mobile phone? Now you can call mommy.
Yeah.
Do you want to call mommy? I think I need to get your SIM card so we can put it inside. And it's got a charge as well. So now you have your mobile phone.
Yeah.
I'll always call you on this phone. And you have your headphones. You can listen to music. Listen to whatever you want. You see?
Yeah.
And you just get hook right here. Right there like this. And then you put it there. And then you can listen to your music. Oh my goodness, my baby have a mobile phone. Yay! Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Can you hear it? We need to download some music, not just yet, because I still need to put a SIM card and a memory card, and then we will download some music. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for
the present.
say thank you to everybody that gave you presents.
Thank you, everybody.
For giving you presents.
Thank you, everybody, for giving me presents.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Do you know who gave you the presents? And then, oh, we have cards.
Yeah.
We didn't quite check the cards just yet. So this one says Diamantine. And shall we find out who he's from?
Yeah.
Oh, very beautiful card.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Who is it from?
And it says, today you are 5. You are a star. And it's from Grandpa, Auntie Joseph, Jeremy, and Jove. Oh, and it says, happy birthday. Oh, how sweet. And this one.
Ooh, I like it.
You already see Ariel?
Yeah, I can see Ariel.
You can see Ariel. And who else?
And I can see Cinderella.
Bella.
I can also see Jasmine.
Oh, do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, there is money in it. This is coming from Auntie Anastasia and Nicholas and Alsen. Oh, hope all your dreams come true. Happy birthday, Diamantine. Thank you, Auntie Anastasia.
Thank you.
And this one came from who? Oh, this one came from Diamantine. This one came from Diamantine and Aunt Mary. It says, have a magical day. Happy birthday, Diamantine. Hope you enjoy your day. Best of wishes. From Mary and Diamantine. Thank you, Auntie Mary.
Thank you, Diamantine. I think it's
And Diamantine. Oh, another card. More money. From who? I think this one is coming from who? Oh, Paloma. Oh, thank you, darling. It says, have a wonderful day. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you.
And the last one is from who? It says, today you're 5. Birthday girl. Wishing you a wonderful happy birthday. Love from Kenzo and Auntie Tony. Oh, thank you, Auntie Tony. And Kenzo, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they all turn up to your birthday, and you had an amazing time,
Yeah.
and it was so wonderful.
Yeah.
So you need to keep all your birthday presents safe. Yeah, and then we're gonna open the big ones. You have a big box that you're gonna need to open. Can you guess what's inside? You'll find out tomorrow because we need to put it together. So yeah, bye guys.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching Diamantine's very first YouTube video. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you happy you got to show everybody your videos?
Yeah.
Yes. Bye